I'm a dancer. Of course, uuwi kaming late at pagod. I'm a dancer. Of course, maporma kami manamit. I'm a dancer. Of course, uuwi kaming bahay nang nakainom after practice. I'm a dancer. Of course, pag may event sa school, matik, pinapasayaw agad kami. I'm a dancer. Of course, lagi nilang sinasabi, wala naman kayong mapapala dyan. I'm a dancer. Of course, hindi lang kami habulin ng mga chicks, pati din ng mga bakla.